Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in personal finance tips. Today, we're tackling how to change your Chase debit card spending limit for 2025. With rising costs and smarter security needs, adjusting your spending limit can help you stay in control of your finances. Whether you're prepping for holiday shopping or just want to limit daily transactions, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. First things first, make sure you have the Chase mobile app installed on your phone or access to the Chase website. It's the easiest way to manage your account. Start by opening the app and logging in with your username and password. For added security, you'll likely need to enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a quick step that keeps your info safe. Once you're logged in, head over to the main dashboard and tap on your debit card icon or select Accounts. Look for the Settings or Card Management section. It's usually under your card details. Here, you'll find an option for Spending Limits or Transaction Controls. Tap on that to view your current daily or transaction limits. Now, the fun part. Customizing your limit. Use the sliders or input fields to set your new daily spending cap. Remember, Chase might have minimum and maximum limits based on your account type, so choose wisely. After you've made your changes, hit Save or Confirm. You'll probably need to verify this with a one-time code sent to your phone or email. Think of it as a double check for security. And just like that, you're done. Your new spending limit should take effect immediately or within a few hours. A quick tip. Regularly review your limits to match your spending habits, and if you run into any issues, contact Chase support directly. Thanks for watching. Changing your spending limit is a smart move for 2025 budgeting. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance hacks. See you in the next video.